Welcome back to yet again my YouTube channel, Derrick Design. So today we are going to learn how to do, actually we are not going to learn, but we are going into another series of how to blend objects, or you can even blend and make very nice attractive backgrounds, fluid designs. So let's just dive into our video of today. So as you can see, we're creating our artboard. I created this, my artboard is 1920 by 1080 artboard. Alright, so these are my color palettes I'm going to specifically use these three color palettes. Okay, so let's first create our background. Select your rectangle tool, put in 1920 by 1080 pixels, then click OK, and our background color is this. I selected this. Alright, this is my background color. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to come in my layers panel and look for it, and I will lock it. Yeah, the easiest way to find the selected layer or the selected shape is come in your layer panel and check. If you see this a layer that is having this blue color, just know that that's the layer you have selected. Alright, so just come and lock it up. Alright, so I'm going to select my curvature tool, alright, to create my waves. I'm going to start like this to create my first wave. Right, carefully create. Right, then you can come, I'm going to give it this color red. Right, let it go in stroke, and I'm going to give my stroke layer 2. Right, so this is done. 1, come and select your curvature tool again and create another wave. Alright, no, this is not what I want. Come and create your
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are, and I know that you're broken
to be arranged, no problem. Alright, then come select them all, come on object, come on blend, then say make. Alright, then you can come on, double click on blend option, come on click on preview. You can adjust the way you feel that it's bringing out what you need. Alright, so for now I will leave it on 1 pixel. Alright, so as you see, my blend effect is done. Alright, so let me add in some more designs, more to make it more attractive. I can add in my let me add in my one wave, another wave to be going like this and this. Alright, and I will give it red color, then I'll run it in stroke. Then I'll make my one wave. Then we're going to double click, then you can save specified step, preview, check, and see whether it's bringing out what you need. Alright, but let's go back in specify distance and check. Let's leave it there. Okay, so what we're going to do is select your move tool, direct or move tool, then come in our layers. We're going to first select these two, come Control Shift back. All right, so I've sent it back. Unlock your background color or layer and send it back. All right, so this is what we've managed to make. All right, before we end our video, but I feel I'm not contented with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in my blending channel and try to add just more. Okay, it's okay. So with your blending tool, you can create any design you need. You can do any backgrounds, any design. So let's create this. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube this video. So if you haven't subscribed, please just subscribe, like, comment, share, and let's meet in my next video. I sign out. Bye bye.